guys, this is my wife Jade. She usually just has some low back pain. Anything else going on? Headaches,
my wrist.
pain?
My wrist is messed up. My ankles.
Yep.
Need some help. Maybe my hips a little bit.
Okay. We will go face down. What are you feeling up there?
I'm a little tight on the right side. And then just like my upper thoracic is pretty tight too.
Low back.
Yeah, I've got the sciatic down the left side again.
Right leg's short, I bet. Look at that. There we go.
That'll be fine.
She's always like right leg short. Same spot every time. T2. Left.
Oh, that felt great.
Big deep breath in. No pain there?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, let's go this side up.
Oh, I needed that.
This side. Get these lumbars to
Oh, that went twice.
go on before. Face down. Let's check your sacrum. Raise that one up. Good. And that one. This one tougher?
Yeah. I have to say I love that adjustment.
You want to do it on this side too?
Yeah, it just feels so nice.
Let's test that out again. There we go. Good. Good. Tight there?
Yeah.
Rock solid.
I know, it's from all my deadlifts.
Alright, let's go face up. Jade usually has C2 on the left here.
Feels a bit tight on the right. I like C1, yeah.
Relax.
Sorry, my earrings. Oh, that felt good.
Right or left on this?
Right. Oh, that felt good.
Here we go.
Oh, my hip. Those are crazy to me.
This is your bad ankle, right?
Yeah. Oh.
There we
Did you
go.
hear that?
Yeah.
That was great.
She's the chiropractor.
Yeah, sorry. I decide. I felt that every time. Oh, that feels good. I think it's just so tight in there.
Ready?
I guess I'm ready.
Super fun times.
It's like so great, but it's like such anticipation.
Big deep breaths in.
That was insane. Oh my gosh, that was insane.
Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, like my upper thoracics feels so great right now. Oh.
Release.
Yes. It's great. That was even different than like the first and second time you've done it.
Really?
Yeah, it was great.
Like and subscribe.
Loved it.
Check us out.